So, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Emma and I am all about couponing and cheap stuff and basically living your best life within your means. So with Thanksgiving and Christmas being around the corner, I kind of wanted to make a video on some ideas or tips on how to save money when it comes to food on the holidays. So the first thing that will completely help you is to be organized and efficient. And what I mean is you're going to want to make a list of the items that you are going to want to prepare and the ingredients for those items. Therefore, when we get further down into my list of tips, you will be able to target those items and find them at the lowest price possible. But you kind of need to know what items you're looking for in order for these tips to help you. My first tip for doing this cheaply is to start early. I don't know how many times I've gone to the store looking for an item that was a high in demand item or a seasonal item, and I waited until the absolute last minute and I couldn't find that item. So I either could not get that item or I had to buy a more expensive version of the item, maybe a bigger size, whatever it was. I couldn't get exactly what I was looking for. So start early. Therefore, you have room to find the items that you're looking for and maybe even find a generic brand. But a lot of people are looking for ways to save money around the holiday. So they're going to be going for the generic items. They're going to be going for the cheaper items. So when you start early, you have your choice of the pick. So start early. So around the holidays, coupons come out for certain items that are considered holiday, like your broths and your vegetables and stuff like that. So you're going to want to look in the newspaper for coupons specifically for the items that you need, because like I said, if you're doing this for seasonal items, most of the time there are coupons in the newspaper that come out specifically for holiday items. So you're going to want to be looking in your newspaper for coupons for the items on your list. If you don't want to constantly be in the newspaper, if you don't have time to look in the newspaper for coupons, use a coupon database and search for the items you are looking for via the coupon database, which in return will show you exactly what newspaper those particular coupons came out, if there's a coupon for it, and it'll give you a printable if you have a printer. So this is kind of a big tip. I'm just going to label it under use coupons. Like I said, look in the Sunday paper and or use the coupon database. If you don't know how to use a coupon database, I do have a video that I will put in a card right here, and I will also link that video in the description if you want to learn how to use a coupon database. So my next tip for you is to compare prices. It's kind of an obvious one, but I'm going to show you why I added it. So compare prices. You don't want to have to buy something for $3.99 that you can get for $2.99. It's $1, but you know what? $1 adds up. Over time, little dollars and change add up. I have been using the Flip app for a long time, and what the Flip app is, it's an app that shows you all of the local circulars, and even depending on what zip code, I say all of local, but literally depending on what zip code you put in, it will show you all of the circulars or sales ads for that area. So recently I've noticed in the Flip ad that you can put an item in that you're looking for and it will pull up all of the prices of that item at your local stores, so you can compare prices. So you're going to want to use this app or whatever app you have to compare prices. You don't always want to get something just because you're right there at the time. If you're trying to save money, you want to be strategic and you want to compare prices. So let's normalize using the 5 off of $25 Dollar General digital coupon for things other than toilet paper and laundry detergent. So if you're kind of new to the coupon scene, the Dollar General 5 off of 25 digital coupon comes out and is only to be used on a Saturday. Now, most couponers use this 5 off of 25 for laundry detergent and toilet paper and little stuff. However, you can use that digital coupon on anything in the store as long as it's at $25, and it will take that $5 off. Now, you can also use Dollar General digital coupons in conjunction with that 5 off of $25 Dollar General store coupon. Just make sure that the digital coupons that you want to use alongside that 5 off of 25 are also manufacturer digital coupons and not store digital coupons. So I have a video that I will link below explaining all of that, but moving on. So you can use that 5 off of 25 for food that pertains to your Thanksgiving or holiday meal. Also, Dollar General is a store, and stores like to make money around the holidays, so they do have massive sales on stuff pertaining to food items. So you can also use those sales and that 5 off of 25 coupon. And if there's a digital coupon for holiday meal items, you can use that digital coupon in conjunction with your 5 off of 25 coupon. All right, so the next one is Target Circle offers. Now, y'all know Target is my jam when it comes to food savings. On top of Target already having a lot of really good Circle offers and Circle coupons, around the holiday, that is when you start to see a massive amount of holiday food stuff with a lot of Circle offers and Circle coupons to attach to that. Not to mention, I can't specifically say what they're going to do this year, but I don't know. But in previous years, Target has a little thing where if you buy a certain amount of holiday food, you get a $10 gift card, $5 gift card, whatever that is. Utilize Target Circle deals when it comes to saving money on food. So my next tip is to utilize stores like Aldi's and the Dollar Tree. But like I said with this one, you got to be a little early because a lot of people do this. So utilize your stores like Aldi's and Dollar Tree. Believe it or not, your Dollar Trees do have a lot of name brand stuff and a lot of name brand food items. So utilize stores like Aldi's and the Dollar Tree to get stuff at a lower price than what you typically would. I know we all love Walmart, and sometimes Walmart is a one-stop shop. You can get everything you need, but Walmart isn't always the cheapest compared to Walgreens and the Dollar Tree. So utilize those stores if you have them around you. And like I said, go early. So then you know if they don't have the items that you're looking for, you can use another method on the list that I just gave you to find those items. The last tip I really wanted to share is if you're really having a hard time, there are a lot of local food pantries who do holiday boxes and even help with other stuff pertaining to the holidays. It has been a tough year for us all. If you need to utilize those food pantries, do it. But my thing is you might want to go early because it's been a rough year for everybody. So you might want to go early, and sometimes you have to apply and qualify. So the earlier you get that done, the more secure you know that you might have a chance. So if you're having a really rough time this year, try your local food pantries. I have listed a couple of the local ones in the description of this video if you are local. And that's basically it for this video. I hope that everybody has a happy and joyous holiday, and I'll see y'all in the next video. Bye-bye. Items. Now, the method behind my madness is use Dollar General coupons. Wrong. Emma, let's get your shit together. If this video was at all helpful, please give it a like. If you have any questions, feel free to comment below. I do answer. And if you like stuff like this or you want to help your girl out, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. It is completely free. Until next time, y'all. Bye-bye.